Alright, so right here I'm holding a piece of crystal from Haunted Ridge Rocks. And as you can tell, it needs a lot of help. You can see some crystal points underneath, but they're all covered in dirt/clay. So I've got a water bottle and a toothbrush sitting right next to me, and we're going to use that to try and clean it up. And we'll have to wait and see what this looks like. But I can almost guarantee you it's going to look amazing. So, let's get to it. And here is our finished product. I'll be honest, I didn't even really need to use the toothbrush. I basically just sprayed it over and over again with the water bottle. And this thing came out great. We could definitely use some iron out to finish getting all that matrix off, but honestly, I think I want to keep it like this. Looks pretty cool as is. Kind of gives the crystals some nice contrast. As we turn it around, you'll notice we do have a very small bit of agate banding on the back, which is pretty cool. You can actually see right through the crystal edge, especially when it's sunny out. Unfortunately, I can't show you guys right now because, well, the sun went away, but it looks pretty awesome. Without further ado, let's turn up the music and take a closer look at this amazing piece.